how to fix Swiggy multiple accounts detected problem. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into your phone settings, or if you're using Android, you can just uninstall the app. And right here, you will search for, you want to search for iPhone storage in our case. And you will sort the applications by name. So I'm just going to sort it by name. I want to find Swiggy. I'm just going to go down, TYCDS letter. So right here, just want to find Swiggy, click on it, and then you will offload the application. Once you offload the application, then you will reinstall it here. So click on reinstall, and this should log you out of your account. Now, if that doesn't work for you, another thing that you can do to fix this multiple accounts detected problem in Swiggy is to simply wait 90 days. Once the 90-day period has expired, then you will be able to use the Swiggy app again. And if that doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is click on delete app, and you will delete the app altogether, and then you will go into the App Store or the Google Play Store and you just want to reinstall Swiggy. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.